Hello. So today we will talk about Unit 3. What will you do tomorrow? Again, that will be what will you do tomorrow? Okay, great. So we will start at vocabulary. Vocabulary. First, classmate. 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 Second one, boring. Boring. Third, amazing. Amazing. Next one, confusing. 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 Next one, holiday. 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 Next one, kind. Kind. Next one, interesting. 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 Next one, exciting. 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 And then the last one will be surprising. Surprising. Good. Again, we're done now with vocabulary. We will go to useful expressions. Again, that will be useful expressions. First, what will you do tomorrow? Again, what will you do tomorrow? Next one, number 2. What are you doing tomorrow? Again, what are you doing tomorrow? Third one, what are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? Fourth one, where are you going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? And then the last one, fifth, where will you go? Where will you go? Good. Again, we're done with useful expressions. Again, that will be useful expressions. Next one, we will have conversation. Conversation. Situation 1, we have shop assistant. Shop assistant. Letter B, customer. Customer. Okay? A, are you coming again tomorrow? Are you coming again tomorrow? B, no, not tomorrow. I will come again next week. Again, no, not tomorrow. I will come again next week. A, how often do you come to Thailand? How often do you come to Thailand? B, twice a year. B, twice a year. A, what do you do? What do you do? B, I am a businessman. I am a businessman. A, oh, are you? Nice to meet you. Oh, are you? Nice to meet you. B, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Great, we're done now with conversation. And then, thank you for watching. Bye.